Ebusianfo, there is an update on Yemame Gertrude Torkornoo, and this is coming from the Deputy Attorney General in the person of Justice Shremsai. Say, notice how this government is moving now. Ubehune say, court cases need na no nipa kra war handle the Deputy Attorney General. Into your babonte no den sem eba betudwa efa case bi ho a it is as good as that. Now, backstory. Now what we mu na yete say Gertrude Torkornoo case a wodi akwakodan ECOWAS ya boegu. Ene yete say na what we ya no wasanso a case foforo ase ewo Ghana Supreme Court. Na Justice Shremsai had the update on yema mini cases here ewo Ghana yi wodi ababa betudwa yen konko kenkan na yen hwe nsemo a Justice Shremsai eka. And then first time wa ha me subscribe na click the notification bell on so we hear the latest news bi aba on sa ebekan. This video is kindly sponsored by Your Action Plan for Weight Loss. Na eye book tatahia ebetro nyama miensa na sa nyama miensa no udi super pepe by 1 week pe obi bia na fusum bia no obehunu se wefu ebehia asese ekofom fa number na ewo screen so no na frɛ ofra yebepe book ni bia ma link bi nso wo comment box ni mo click ya on sa ebeka eye book no. Corporate Logistica a vehicle management company wa Ghana ha na edwuma mo ye na very simple fa o kan ne show mo nsem o de kan ne show mo nsem a eno ano no omo abepe driver ma omo ankasa ebehwe yesi ebetwi kan ne ye na omo ankasa ebe maintenance on the car at the end of every month wa kan ye ode no mema wa ketua 2 times for 05980220033 o your banner nim se ne etwi car sakesi a Corporate Logistica epel ene wo aye edwuma. Now yen read it Justice Shremsai some of the two ja or say 5 cases were filed in the Supreme Court on her ladyship Justice Torkornoo's removal. 1 was abandoned and got struck out, leaving 4 pending. This note is on 2 of the remaining 4 cases. Aside ECOWAS ayema mekoye no, in the Supreme Court ewo Ghana ha say cases are already ye etia aban 5 cases. Iti Justice Shremsai tre say sa 5 cases we ni na no baako ye striking out inti aka 4 na aka nso no there's an update on 2 of them and no Justice Shremsai or deba update ni ye. As in one of the 2 cases, her ladyship is a defendant, along with the Attorney General. In the other, the ladyship is the plaintiff, with the Attorney General as the defendant. The 2 cases were on the same issues. In the cases 4 no, mienu ewo mu a ensem na baako ono maame no na oye defendant no. The other one ono no oye plaintiff. Tinsem ne baako ono ena ojina the other side baako no so no de asem na den aba by the same issues. Also, a different lawyer represented her ladyship in each of the 2 cases. Her ladyship filed a statement of her case in one of the cases, but has over a year on defaulted in filing statements in the other. It's 2 cases with the same issues, but 2 different lawyers and mami at the buy. One of the cases no maame no I go through the process a waka nsem, but the other one ne de onye hwe e wo case ni so. On May 28th, the Supreme Court consolidated the 2 cases and adjourned for judgment, while giving her lady free leave to file her statement anytime before judgment. On the day, one of her ladyship's 2 lawyers was present in court. The other sent a letter to the court seeking to withdraw his services. Inti woha Supreme Court atenase hu said that be mami nsem a wodi aba no 2 of the cases na the same thing. Yemfa case ni den embom na eno no ye the decision bi beba ye the decision aba. Ya man embre omra mbeka na asem but ye the judgment be den ebeba. Na woha baako inti nansenya na eye yeni aye kai se gofredame eba bonte beka so mpeso obedi maame na asem ne den. So apparently gofredame case na wodi no Now, there was another lawyer. I also did the same case for Yamami ya. It is a Gofredame Kokrana. I don't want to believe that because Supreme Court are major cases Nintino, the other lawyer can take over. That's what I'm thinking, right? Also, on June 23rd, which is Andre Chichi, her ladyship's lawyer, the one who was present in court on May 28th, filed an application to have the court to review the consolidation order. Reason, her ladyship was not given a hearing on May 28th. Inti June 23rd, ya mami a lawyer na wakano. Ako file application. Or say, file application say, he review the consolidation order. Inti consolidation order say judges no eka se case 2 no the same. Inti ye dibom ni edini na ba kono. Mamela kwa file application say da bi mayenye ne saa. Mayen fan bom ni edini ni na as ba kon. So I don't know the move here. Are they trying to frustrate the courts? Because I would want to believe that if the cases are the same, na judges na se omo dibom no mo edini ni na as ba kon a. Ye pese insem no contem, what you say, ye pese ye ruling no na judgment e bantem. Because you see judgment delayed, justice delayed is justice denied. Right? But my mean some more can say dabi mamun fan boom. Even though the judges are saying say ni the same case in yen fan boom no. Almost say mamun fan boom. And nona walker say, how so? Her ladyship's other lawyer, the one who sent the letter, was not physically present when the court consolidated the two cases. Inti dientia I say one of the lawyers need two on two different cases, but those two different cases has the same thing. And here the case is now boom. I say my fan boom de intia. Embra ye di boom no. Ne lawyer baako no nya available. Lawyer baako na watch say on pese obeye lawyer biom no nya available. The other one na no wo ho. I hope you are understanding. On Thursday, June 25th, the Attorney General filed an affidavit to oppose her ladyship's review application. Reason, the review application is in bad faith as her ladyship was duly represented on May 28 and given an opportunity to file a statement. And the Attorney General said that dear mami ye enye dientia because o lawyer no na baako ya available. Eye the same cases, the same issues, different lawyers. Bako no ya available there, even though Ebia Godfrey Dame no nya available. Nasa lawyer bako no ya available. And aside that in the crown, court no esanso ma wo mre. Inti abane say na mre ni na echi and then na wo ba beka so my fa cases ni mbom because sa other lawyer bako no there no nya available. But you still had a representation. That's what the Attorney General is saying. Right? It was say, now this is the twist. On Friday, June 26th, yesterday, her ladyship's lawyer filed a notice to withdraw the review application. The Supreme Court has scheduled July 2nd to resolve all the issues in all the 4 cases. Inti Andre Chiano, Mami lawyer Sanso Baboncha Babeka so the Eneshe, Yan ye kase consolidation no munye review, not just a yempe consolidation. Sisi ya withdraw inti consolidation na judge no mose mobeye no. Sisi ya de yen yaji hatum. But that is not the end of it, right? That is not the end. Justice Semsai Sanso ebe update update no Andre ya no de by or say then quite apart from the 5 Supreme Court cases and the ECOWAS case, her ladyship filed 3 cases in the High Court to challenge her removal. Inti 5 cases it was Supreme Court. ECOWAS case in so ho. Wasanso file another 3 cases it was High Court. Also, sometime last year, her ladyship abandoned one of the 3 cases. On Wednesday, June 24th, her ladyship filed a motion to consolidate the 2 remaining cases. Inti afi High Court case no, oja baako toye, and High Court cases eye 3, or abandon baako, and 2 na kano, or the 2 akwa bombium. And I'm sure so Becca say, so even me and me are making control and make I'm confused. Me am here krano. I am confused because I am itrimu kesrene. Charlie. But you know, this is quite interesting. Let's see how it goes. At this point, send your Americano. It's just a matter of let's try to. Listen. You can't even keep up. You know, you can't even keep up. But it is what it is. Whatever. Yeah, mommy, peso ye biano. I mean, I wish her well. Montreal, your comment box in Momedase.